guys, this is Anarie of Gleam, South Japan. So today we are going to trim our garden using this hedge trimmer. Let's do this. So first we are going to set up this ladder and make sure that you lock this using this so you won't fall. Okay. And put it in a flat surface. So, and then if you're going to cut the hedges, you just have to press this like this and hold this here. Going to so scary. Like this. It's more safe. Okay, let's start this. I'm also using and then wait, I need to move closer to the plants. Failed. I failed. Alright, climb the ladder. Oh my gosh, this is difficult. You think life in Japan is easy? It's not easy. Okay. So you just have to with so you will have a straight what do you call that? I don't know. Oh my God. It's really fun to do this job since it's quarantine. Enjoy my day off, day in the life in Japan. Baliw mo. Alright. Then also from the side, you can do this. More. So hard to trim. This is a good what do you call this device? Equipment? Tool. This is a good tool to trim the hedges with this small garden. Maybe you can do like 10 minutes to 15 minutes only. In Japan they use this. It's electric, it's very convenient, but usually today They have that portable one. This is not portable. This is what? In Japan. It's very easy using this hedge trimmer, and it's not so heavy, but at the end of the work you might feel really tired, and it's very easy to use, very handy, but sometimes you need to be careful with this because the last time I cut the wire, so Daddy have to fix it. Yeah. Good job. That's the life, a day in the life in Japan. Kidding. Just gardening.